Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart, of course, we are looking at XRP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A or finishing a wave 1. And after both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, a correction WXY. Your wave W is a zigzag, another zigzag for the X, and of course a triangle for your wave Y here, finishing your wave B or your wave 2. After this long correction, of course, was 5-year correction, we are of course looking for higher prices, and here we go. A very bullish scenario is unfolding. The potential targets are, of course, let's say on the logarithmic chart here, we are looking, of course, at a second impulse, the same as your wave A, to repeat exactly the same for your wave C, meaning 1-to-1 fib level on the logarithmic chart, of course, is $478, and we know that the market, crypto market, moves much more potentially in logarithmic moves, meaning in percentage rather than just in prices, and that means of course a very high potential for 1-to-1 fib level. Now if we bring of course the fib levels for the linear, we are even very close to the 1-to-1 fib level to be hit of course with this wave 5, which it anyways will finish your wave 1 and then having a wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5 to hit those logarithmic fib levels. Again, the same repeat moves here in the wave A that it can repeat of course in the wave C. So our target basically right now is the 3.93 or $4, let's say, which is a common target for a wave 5, finishing this wave 1 and continuation toward the upside after a wave 2. Let's take a closer look, of course, on the 4-hour chart here, where we are looking, of course, to our impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4. And F5, of course, your wave 5 is not finished yet. Your wave 5 in the yellow scenario here, where we are looking for a little bit higher prices to finish it. Because you have, of course, here 1, 2, 3, a wave 4 in the yellow, which is a triangle, and a wave 5, which it should be impulsive 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, wave 4 in this white scenario, and then you're still looking for a wave 5 as, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, what happened here is very critical, of course. If we zoom in a little bit here, we can see, of course, that after this triangle, we were expecting here something very choppy to be as a corrective, and something very bullish to unfold after it. Now this has ended up of course as W, X, and a Y. A W for zigzag, of course A, B, C, D, and a E for your X, and of course a very sharp wave, a zigzag for your wave Y, finishing a wave 4 in this yellow scenario, of course, and still looking for one more leg towards the upside, probably to finish this impulse toward the upside. If we take on a look on the 1-hour chart, we can see, of course, an impulse is still unfolding again, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as ending diagonal, meaning you have formed right now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this wave 5. So still looking for a little bit higher prices. I would say we want to take the high in the XRP to finish this properly. Of course, as this wave 5 has been very extended in time and in price as well, as we can see here. So basically I would say this wave 5 in the yellow count has to be finished soon or later. I would say one more high, knowing that the whole fib levels for the wave 5 has been reached, but it looks like XRP is still asking for a little bit more. And I think, of course, we still have to take this high, and of course, therefore, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been finished, and it's time for a wave 2 toward the downside. Yeah, so these are the insight regarding Elliott wave analysis. Now let's take a look, of course, on the XRP on KGT to see what are the highest possibilities. Now looking at XRP on the KGT 15-minute chart, 500 strengths, of course, we can see the strongest signal. We have a sell signal from the top here. No bullish signals has appeared. We have a second bearish signal as well, with kind of like, the prices are lower than each other. The top are moving towards the downside, same as for the bearish signal. creating kind of like convergence between both and moving toward the downside. However, if we take a little bit, a little bit here, weaker signals, we can see also a very, very strong divergence has been created, of course, once we have bottomed here for a wave 4, if you remember, of course, where we got, of course, this very deep correction, and then moving for higher prices. Now, if you take a look a little bit even deeper, let's go to the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, yeah, you can see, of course, the bullish signals are not in divergence. Yeah, these are in convergence, which is not good for the bullish, but it is, yeah, bearish, of course, convergence where it shows lower prices. Now, don't forget that we are looking for 1, 2, and probably 3, 4, 5, of course, to finish this one more leg toward the upside. So, highest possibility currently on the 1-hour chart, I would say, of course, lower prices. We are looking for a wave 2 here, so let's mark this anyway to have some targets. As a wave 2 here, I would say let's make it a little bit more snap mode. Here we go. So wave 2 impulse, a perfect target would be, of course, the 0.618 and the 0.78, and then, of course, looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, this is a small impulse toward the upside that we want to finish our wave 5 and our bull run for XRP. I would say that the bull run for XRP is very, very soon to be ended. I'm not gonna deny this. Because as I said, the whole thing has been done. I mean, the whole impulse here in the yellow scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is already finished. And we are looking after this for a wave 2. So be careful with this, guys. We're gonna watch XRP, of course, for the next days because, it is a little bit critical. It might has ended as well. It might turn this as a correction or for triangle and then 3 waves up and then looking for lower prices. So in bearish scenario, meaning, of course, WX and a Y still possible, guys. So we're gonna see, but higher possibility right now, of course, to finish to one more leg toward the upside. I would say higher possibility is bullish. Now lower prices a little bit and then impulsive again. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment and see you in the next one. Bye bye.